the engine. Here. All this good stuff is good. Like I said, the motors go somewhere in here. I believe it's these things down here that need to be replaced, or maybe they're good. I'm not sure. I've just never looked. And that's it. Like I said, I drove it to it's about 70 kilometers round trip. Ran great. She's not power steering, so, but it turns alright, as you'll see if you come down. And I just had it sputter a couple times here and there. And like I said, I would recommend getting some plugs for it, and honestly a tune-up before I get any long distances. But would it make it? Probably. I have no idea. I've never insured it. I've just put it on the road a couple times. And that's the Fiero.